Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about how to record with Ableton. So I have a single audio track right here, and there's just a couple things we need to do in order to set up recording here. The first one being going to Settings. On the left side, you'll select Audio, and then audio input device needs to be the right device that you're using. So if you're using a digital audio interface, you'd be selecting that here. Now, audio output will be either your headphones or your MacBook speakers or your interface device again, which is then connected to some speakers. The driver type you can select as default, whatever it is already. And I have my buffer size set to 128 samples, and I do this for latency, so that if I record guitar and I want to hear what I'm playing, the latency for that is low. By default, Ableton has it set to 512 samples. Okay, so now that we have our input device set up correctly, we just need to go ahead and on the right hand side here, select this record icon so it's highlighted red. And what we're doing here is arming the track for recording, not actually recording yet. In order to do that, we need to select this button in the top middle, record. Now when I click this, and I have the correct input channel selected here, in this case I have both 1 and 2 arms. I'll just have one armed, and you can see that my voice is getting recorded. It's getting recorded at a low volume right now, but it's still there. So I'll hit spacebar to stop the recording, and what we can do is in the bottom right corner, click in this area here, and we'll bring up some more options. So it's a general principle to record at low volume so you avoid something called clipping. Digital clipping is when you record at a volume that's higher than Ableton can keep track of the volume, so to speak. So your wave form here is going to be clipped at the top, and you can see that you can boost low volume recordings here with the gain knob so that you can compensate. Another way to add more volume to a track is by using something called the utility function effect. So the utility effect has this gain knob here that you can then also increase the gain with. On playback, you're going to want to have the off button here selected in yellow, or auto. If you have in selected, you're going to be able to hear whatever you're inputting into Ableton as well. So it's sort of like a monitor in button. And that's basically it. Very basic tutorial on how to record in Ableton.